In today's world, technology is everywhere. It has become an inseparable part of our lives. From smartphones to cars, software programs power it all. These programs are built with code. Programming shapes our world in profound ways. Think about your daily routine. You wake up, check your phone, browse the internet, and order breakfast. All these actions are possible because of code. Every click, tap, and swipe is translated into instructions. Programming is essential across diverse industries. It drives innovation and efficiency. Programming automates tasks and creates solutions. The demand for skilled programmers is skyrocketing. Understanding programming empowers individuals to shape the future. Programming creates instructions for computers to execute. These instructions, written in programming languages, tell computers what tasks to perform. Imagine a recipe for a cake. Code guides a computer similarly. Programming languages provide a structured way to communicate with computers. They consist of syntax and semantics like human languages. Programmers create software, websites, and games. Programming translates human ideas into reality. It automates tasks and solves complex problems. Programming's impact is transformative. It's a fundamental literacy in today's world. Programming's roots trace back to early computing, long before modern computers. Ada Lovelace in the 19th century saw the potential of Babbage's analytical engine. Her algorithms earned her the title of the first programmer. As technology advanced, so did programming. The mid-20th century saw electronic computers and languages like Fortran and COBOL. These languages made programming more accessible. The 1970s microprocessor revolutionized computing, leading to personal computers. This era introduced C, C++, and Java, foundational for many systems. Today, languages evolve for efficiency and user-friendliness. Modern languages like Python, JavaScript, and Swift empower developers across platforms. Section 4. The many hats of a programmer, specializations in the field. The world of programming offers a diverse range of specializations, each requiring a specific skill set and catering to different aspects of software development. Just like in any profession, programmers often specialize in particular areas, becoming experts in their chosen domains. Front-end developers focus on creating the user interface of websites and applications. They use languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to build visually appealing and interactive elements that users directly interact with. Their work ensures that websites are user-friendly, responsive, and accessible across various devices. Back-end developers, on the other hand, work behind the scenes, building the server-side logic that powers websites and applications. They handle databases, user authentication, and other complex functionalities that ensure everything runs smoothly. Languages like Python, Java, and Ruby are commonly used in back-end development. Full-stack developers possess expertise in both front-end and back-end development, allowing them to handle all aspects of a project. This versatility makes them valuable assets in the software development world, capable of taking ideas from conception to fully functional products. Section 5. A world of languages choosing the right tool for the job. The world of programming is vast, with hundreds of programming languages to choose from. Each language has its strengths and weaknesses, making it suitable for specific tasks and domains. Selecting the right language depends on the project requirements, platform compatibility, and personal preferences of the programmer. Python, known for its readability and versatility, has gained immense popularity in recent years. It's widely used in data science, machine learning, web development, and scripting. Java, another popular choice, is favored for its platform independence and robustness, making it suitable for building enterprise-level applications and Android apps. JavaScript, the language of the web, reigns supreme in front-end development, bringing interactivity and dynamism to websites. C++ remains a powerful language for game development, operating systems, and high-performance computing. C#, developed by Microsoft, finds its niche in building Windows applications and games using the Unity game engine. The choice of programming language ultimately depends on the specific project at hand. Aspiring programmers are encouraged to explore different languages, understand their strengths, and select the most appropriate tool for the task, just like a craftsman chooses the right tool from their toolbox. Section 6. Programming's impact, transforming industries worldwide. Programming's impact on the world is undeniable, transforming industries and revolutionizing the way we live, work, and interact with each other. From healthcare to finance, transportation to entertainment, programming plays a pivotal role in shaping our future. In healthcare, programming is revolutionizing patient care through innovative medical devices, telemedicine platforms, and data analysis tools that aid in diagnosis and treatment. Electronic health records powered by sophisticated software streamline healthcare management, improving efficiency and reducing errors. The finance industry relies heavily on programming for algorithmic trading, risk management, fraud detection, and online banking systems. Programmers develop sophisticated algorithms that analyze market data, execute trades, and manage financial portfolios, making financial markets more efficient and accessible. Transportation is undergoing a massive transformation with the advent of self-driving cars, ride-sharing apps, and intelligent traffic management systems, all powered by complex software programs. These innovations promise to improve road safety, reduce congestion, and enhance the overall transportation experience. Section 7. Embracing the future, learning to code in the digital age. In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, learning to code has become more accessible than ever before. A wealth of resources, both online and offline, cater to individuals of all ages and skill levels, making it easier than ever to embark on a programming journey. Online learning platforms like Code Academy, Khan Academy, and Udemy offer interactive coding courses, tutorials, and projects, allowing learners to grasp programming concepts at their own pace. These platforms provide a structured learning environment, often with personalized feedback and support from instructors and fellow learners. Coding boot camps provide an immersive and accelerated learning experience for those seeking a career change or skill enhancement. These intensive programs condense months of learning into weeks, focusing on practical skills and real-world projects, preparing graduates for entry-level programming jobs. The journey of learning to code is an ongoing one, requiring dedication, practice, and a passion for problem-solving. By embracing the abundance of resources available and nurturing a growth mindset, anyone can unlock the power of programming and shape the future with their ideas.